So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be talking about Chainlink. So Chainlink is a very popular cryptocurrencies among crypto consumers. So we'll be talking about what we can predict in the price of Chainlink in the upcoming days and weeks, and we'll be going over what the charts show us Chainlink is currently moving like. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we head over to the screen, do make sure you click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are currently over at our screen and we are on coinmarket.com. So as you can see, we are on the home page, and if we just scroll a little bit down, we can see Chainlink is currently at number 12 in all cryptocurrencies. We can see it's currently trading at a price of $15.48, down about 0.21% in the past hour, down about 2.17% in the past 24 hours, and up by 2.8% in the past week. So let's just take a brief overview of what these charts are looking like. So we are now over at our charts, and you can see it's currently at $15.50, and we can see that it is currently down by 2.16% in the past 24 hours. If we just take a look at the left panel real quick, our market cap is around $8.8 billion right now, currently down by 2.28%, and our 24-hour volume is currently around 345 million, down about 58.2% from yesterday. So I would say these are pretty normal numbers, since the volume is down on almost every cryptocurrency, even including the big cryptos such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is also down by huge numbers, so I wouldn't be surprised if it's down on Chainlink also. And if we take a look at this graph right here, we were 24 hours ago, we were trading at around $15.83. So we have come back down from then, and we have gone down, but we made our way back up in the middle of the day. So around in the middle of the graph, so around 6 a.m. today, we went as high as around $15.88. So we did go back above in the green, but then we eventually made our way down. We went to as low as $15.42 right here. So we can see we did make a big difference from the top to the lowest. We were in the red for most of the days, but we did go in the green for this little part, but we eventually came back down. So let's take a look at what we are here for, and this is this graph on tradingview.com. So we are on Link USD, and we are headed on the daily chart. So this is the current pattern we see. So what is significant about this? We can see these round tops being formed right here, and right here. But what's so important about this is that these tops, we were getting higher highs. So let me just redraw this line. We were getting higher highs in this line, but as we went on this line, we can see we broke that trend and we got a lower low right here. So we have eventually broken this trend line that we were forming, and we went to lower lows right here. So we have broken down that trend line, and we are likely headed to rebound from this area right here. Since we have lower lows, we are supposed to have lower highs. So we are eventually going to rebound from this price range, and we are likely to head down like this. Let me just click the brush tool. So we are head down like this eventually. So we are making lower lows and lower highs. So this is what the price could look like in the upcoming times based on this trend line that we were seeing. So we were eventually supposed to, let me see if I can find a drawing tool to give you a better understanding. So I think it would be a rectangle tool. So right here, rotated rectangle, we can see if we draw one out right here. So right here, we can see I have drawn this rectangle right here. So this is not accurate, but you just get the understanding of what we are trying to say. So right here is where you can see that we were in this rectangle range for quite a bit of time. But then right here, if I go ahead and circle this, we have broken out from that rectangle and we have gone under it. So we have a downwards breakout, and then we have come back up from that breakout, and we are in the range again, but we are likely to rebound from a lower number and eventually go back down in this downtrend. So we are likely headed to the downside in the daily time frame in Chainlink based on this trend. So that was it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about what Chainlink is doing on the daily time graph, and we talked about what specific pattern it's forming and what's going on with this trend line. So we did talk about that it's gonna go have some lower highs and lower lows based on this trend line and what we have analyzed. So if you are new to this channel, please do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel. And also check out my daily live streams I do on this channel. I talk about any recent crypto news, any recent price changes, and everything related to the crypto community on the live stream daily. So do make sure to tune in daily. And I also create long form content like this, so do make sure to check those out too. So if you like this video, please do click the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.